So Black Friday and Cyber Monday just happened. We picked up a few things. Let's get to it. Hey, what's going on? Lukas here, back with another video. And today I'm checking out my recent pickups from Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Thanks for checking this video. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. You can also find me outside of YouTube and Instagram at Lukas Winn, where I post regular sneaker content. And if you do like today's video, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel grow. Now today, I'm unboxing and checking out recent pickups from both Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so November 26th and November 29th respectively. Now, we got a mix of sneakers, some clothing, but primarily sneakers from, Nike, Adidas, Vans, and Supreme. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first package we got is from Vans. This actually came in this week, so took a while to actually get here. I copped this on Black Friday weekend, and obviously we are 2 weeks in from that event, so it's taken quite a while to get this stuff in, and that's a common theme with a lot of this stuff, so that's why it's taken a while for this unboxing video to get recorded. But anyway, let's get to it. So the first one we got is just a classic slip-on from Vans. This is the black with the white midsole. There's a size tag. So just added these to the collection. Got them in my size. I've got plenty of Vans, especially slip-ons, and a couple of old schools in my collection. So I just wanted to add this. I didn't actually have this colourway. It's always been quite hard to get in my size, but fortunately they had it on Vans. Got it in my size. Got a discount. Can't complain. Next thing, I just got a couple of t-shirts as well, like long sleeve and short sleeve. So just a plain black Vans tee. There's actually a long sleeve. I cut this in an XL. So as you can see, it fits pretty good. No complaints. Good length for the arms. It's just a layering top really. I've got a couple of Vans t-shirts, but I wanted to get a long sleeve. Just obviously it's winter. It's a bit, and it's nice to actually layer when you're going out. So happy with this. And the other thing that we got was just pretty much the same, but in a short sleeve version. You can never go with a classic Vans t-shirt in black. I think it's very subtle, nice, again extra large, but no, I won't try this on because I know it's going to fit, but no complaints there. So yeah, on to the next package. So this is from Supreme. So you get your BOGO sticker. And we just got a pair of sneakers. Now a couple of weeks ago there was a restock of all the Air Force Ones, the wheat colourway, the white colourway and the black on black colourway. I did actually go for the wheat colourway. From my understanding the order went through, but then I found out later that actually Supreme, even though they charged my card, the order was not actually placed, so I did actually get that refunded. However, I did manage to cop the full white Air Force One pair. So size tag reads Air Force One low, SP, and the colourway is just white. So size tag US 13, UK 12. It's very hard to get Air Force Ones in my size, so I just got this just to see it in hand. Let's pick it up. It's just an Air Force One, icy white, just the Supreme logo on the ankle right there. So can't complain. Just wanted to add to the collection, and yeah, happy to get this in hand. Obviously my preference was the wheat. I think it's a more fire colourway, but unfortunately that didn't happen. But definitely I will try for another restock unless I have to pay resale, but we'll see. On to the next one. So the third package is another pair of sneakers. Now this is one of those ones where you jump the gun because you think something's going to sell out. And that's a classic example in this case. So this is just a Nike Dunk box, pretty battered to be quite honest, as you can see here. But this is just the GoldenRods that recently dropped. So there we go. So this is actually a size UK 10, US 11. Size tag reads Nike Dunk Low, retro. Colour is black, goldenrod, white. And obviously there's the sneaker. So this is a bit of a strange one because the GoldenRods didn't actually sell out. They were on the Nike app and they pretty much sat for quite some time. By the time I did the original drop, I was pending for about 20 minutes in my size. So I kind of thought, you know what, I'm not going to cop. Let me at least get a pair, see what they're like in hand, potentially trade. Because, you know, Dunk Lows, they're pretty hard to cop. So my thinking was based on previous experience that this would be the case. However, the GoldenRods didn't sell out until a couple of days later. So I was able to go back to Nike, cop them in my size, and obviously most likely would just return this pair to JD Sports where I copped this from. But yeah, on to the next pair. So we have a Nike box. And I actually copped a Jordan Beanie because that was, again, part of Black Friday. It was on special. They had that discount code of like 25% off. And then I also copped the GoldenRods in my size. So just to show that. So yeah, that's the US 14, UK 13 in my size. So definitely happy to have them in the collection. Just obviously you can add my Championship Reds, my UNLVs, and obviously my Pandas. So yeah, really happy to add these. They're kind of called the, you know, poor man's Pollens, shall we say. And obviously happy to add these to the collection. Just to show the beanie, so it's just a Jordan beanie. It's now winter, so I just wanted to cop this. So you've got your Jumpman logo in gold right here. The price on this was £23, I believe. It wasn't expensive, that expensive. And you got Jordan on the back. It's got some subtle detailing to try it on. Yeah, it's comfy. It's definitely warm. It's not too baggy, not too, you know, loose on the head. So yeah, definitely happy to have this. But it's not too tight either, and that's definitely something I like to look for in my beanies. So we have a package from Adidas. Again, I don't know why Adidas send huge boxes for sneakers, but there you go. So this is just... So they finally dropped the Hugh NMD's N.E.R.D 20th anniversaries in the UK on Confirmed app, and I already did a review of this back in September. I got an early pair from Kif, but obviously not in my size. But obviously really like the silhouette, really like the shoe, so obviously wanted to get in my size. Fortunately, copped and confirmed. So I got the Hugh NMD N.E.R.D 20th anniversary actually in my size, US 14, UK 13.5. So yeah, really happy for that. If you look at that review, I do mention that obviously that pair I couldn't fit. So really annoyed that I wasn't able to actually try them on foot because I have a couple of Hugh NMDs already, and I just wanted to add this to the collection. So I really have to get this. Now, to be fair, it's kind of a slept on. It's kind of, you know, not many people are going for it, but I'm still happy to cop and confirm because it did sell out. My plan is to sell the 11.5 that I have. So if you're interested, let me know in the comment section or DM me on Instagram and maybe we can work out a deal. So on to the next package. And the last one is another Nike box. And this actually dropped on Monday of this week. So again, just wanted to see in hand. And you know I did have my Air Force One, so we have another Air Force One. So it's your standard Air Force One box. You got Nike Air Force One on the top, and size tag is Air Force One 07QS. Colorway is cream 2 black, sail black, and in my size US 14, UK 13. Here's the sneaker. As I said, this is fire. This colour scheme is nice. I really like this, and yeah, just another Air Force One for the collection. So So what do you think of these pickups? Anything that you would cop? Anything that you would pass on? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'll leave links to all of the sneakers and clothing featured in the video, on obviously including sizing, SKU codes, colours, colourways, etc. I'll also leave timestamps as well, so if you want to skip to another part of the video, if you're interested in a specific sneaker, then feel free to do that as well. As mentioned, I'll also be doing some reviews of sneakers featured in today's video. So, as I said, if you haven't already, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified when those videos drop. So thanks for checking out this video. I do appreciate everyone that does check out my content. It is much appreciated, and does mean a lot. So if you aren't subscribed already, please do subscribe, and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I drop new content. There's a lot of fire content coming, so I definitely recommend you sticking around with me on this journey. You can also find me outside of YouTube and Instagram at Lukas Winn. And again, if you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel grow. And until next time, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.